Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new series. Today, we're going to be going through HackerRank, trying to reach the highest rank for this, and we're going to be doing Python. Now, to get it started, we're going to do Hello World in Python, um, and so you guys will see everything, how everything works. Now, before I get really deep into the video here, I want to say if you are new to this channel, please check out the rest of the videos, check out the rest of the channel. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. If you like the video, again, like, comment what you want to see next. And if you're looking for jobs or internships, check out the first link in the description. Now, let's get right into the HackerRank. So, alright, here we go. Now, this is an example of a sample line that can be executed in Python. Print hello world. You can print as easily as a string as a variable that and then print it to the std out. My string equals hello world, print my string. The above code will print hello world on your screen. Try it yourself in the editor below. You do not need to read any inputs in this challenge. Print hello world to std out. So do hello world, and then we'll run it, and it will run as hello world. Okay, so it wants a exclamation point. Let's go ahead and run the code again, and there you go. And then we can just submit this code, fetching results, and we're good. Test case is good. You have earned 5 points. You are now 30 points away. Okay, cool. So yeah, that was basically it for that one. Let me see. Yeah, I think that one was it. So that's gonna end it right there. See you on the next one.